Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll see how to create the tab bar controller in Swift UI. So it's very simple. So let's create some new files. It's like a view controller basically, so we need to create some view. So we can say it's first view, or we can say it's one view. Okay, after that, one more we can create new file. We can say to view or second view, whatever you feel, you can do that, no issues. Okay, align this properly. Okay, so now what we'll do, it should be a text. We can change it and say first view, and for the second one we can say second view. Fine. So in the content view we can go and we can make the use of tab view now. So it's a predefined to tab view, and now we need to add that first view for one view and two view inside that. So we can do one view dot tab item. Inside that we can add our elements. That will be we can add one image. Fine, and we don't have the image right now, so we can use the system image, system name, that will be doc.append. I used some previously in project, so I know that. And text, we can give the name of the item, bar item, we can call it as. So text will be first one. It's simple and sober. Fine. Okay, and I think you're fine. We can give it like this. And what else we can give it? So I think it's fine. So if you will see now what we did, we added one text. Okay, and we added one. Similarly we can do for second also, right? So that will be to view tab bar item, and that will be, I think calendar is also there. We can say calendar. Fine. And after this we can add text also, that is second or two, one, two. Fine, that will be the guys. Okay guys, and I think it's fine. As of now basic structure is ready, so we can see what is that. So it will be easy actually, it's not too much complicated. So two views will come and in the form of tab, so one and two will come here itself with the title. Bar title will be 1 and 2. 1 and 2 you can see. 1, 2. Okay, calendar is not the image actually. I don't know the name. Okay, I will check it. So after that we can add the tagging also. Suppose you want to perform some selected and all these, deselected and all these, you can add the tag itself. So we can say tag 0 and 1. And okay, so as of now we can use this image only because I don't know the extra name. So it's there actually. Calendar is also there. I don't know what is the exact spelling of that. Come on, fast. Is there, right? So calendar is not there, but yeah, you can see that now. It's easy. So I think this is the best and simple way to create. Now you can play around with all the views, like how to do navigations and all, creating the text fields and text images and all that. That customization you can play around, and yeah, it's there in my previous session. You can go and watch it, how to create the custom views with the list view, etc. So hope you guys understood the video. Hit the like button if you understood the video, and please subscribe it for more updates. And do let me know if any doubts. Please comment it so that I can reply on the same. So thanks for watching.